Ford F150 Raptor 2020, supported by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine technology capable of traveling all-terrain. The Ford F150 Raptor SuperCrew model received several major changes that included an increase in suspension and the addition of trail control, basically cruise control for dangerous terrain. From the front side there is a large Ford logo on the front grille, unique bumper and skid plate, and a specially ventilated hood makes it clear that this is the F150. Quad beam headlights adorn the front. 17-inch wheels, which are wrapped in thick off-road tires, have gaps between them and arches, allowing you to see a luxurious look. At the rear, it is equipped with LED lights, Raptor emblems, adding a more manly impression, and a pair of exhaust tips help increase visual width. This Ford Raptor powered by the same 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 found in the GT supercar, the Raptor produces 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Managing output is a 10-speed automatic select-shift transmission that distributes thrust to all four wheels. The Raptor's interior will be very familiar to those accustomed to the regular F150, with only the center line on the steering wheel and carbon fiber footprint helping to distinguish it. The available options are Recaro seats which add to the visual impact of the interior. The cabin is spacious and comfortable. The Raptor's basic interior isn't too fancy, and the old cabin is highlighted by dark colors on dark plastic and upholstery. The basic trim has a black color with gray accents on the seats, and abundant plastic throughout the cabin.